The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from an entire video that is out on social media. And the entire video that is out on social media shows what happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a business place that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. The entire video shows a confrontation between the police and persons from within a community that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And the entire video also shows when persons got arrested as well. Isn't it? I do not have any confirmed information as to when the entire video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers, but however, I'm going to present pieces of videos that are from that entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos and maybe you can get a good understanding as to what happened, and you can also let me know what you think as well, according to some things that you're about to see and hear in these pieces of videos. All right, yeah, the entire video has been talked about on social media. All right, and yeah, I'm going to present pieces of videos to you right about now. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
No. With what? She not touch him. She not touch him. And him a push a man and everybody. You're a police officer and you come here and harass people. No, she not do nothing at all. She not do nothing at all. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they come here. I allow you to go in and talk to the man. Right? I know you want to come harass me, but license and registration. What you take up a business paper for? Why you take up a business paper going with? Eh? Right? Why you take up a... Look how in this charm property. Look at that. Why you take it up? Right? Why you gonna take up my business, my documents? Right? See it there? Me now going here because my video.
Don't touch her.
I'm videoing my property. I'm videoing my property. Are you broke it? Are you broke it? Are you broke it? Are you broke it? Yo. Yeah. I allow you to deal with the customer, and then you want to come harass me? No, you get my business license. You can't find anything wrong. Why are you taking it with you? Why are you taking? You got my business license. Is there something wrong with my business license? Me in my yard. Me in my yard. Yeah. Yeah. You come and use indecent language and slap the girl in her face. Tell me why. Yeah? See, I even have to ask him to pull down the thing off his face. Because I don't even know if it's real police.
You shouldn't take away your license.
Yeah?
You shouldn't take away your license for your bar.
Why am I doing my business license? Why am I going to do with it? There's no reason to hold on to it. It's a registered business. You're asked to see it. I'm sure you. Where you take my license for? My sister hold on upon it and he grabbed it out and one.
Just calm down, man.
Good afternoon, sir. I hope that you've come with a full head. I need to speak to somebody, please. Hold on there. Alright, so listen now. I even forgot. He come here for no reason. All we were explaining to him that he said he had to come and search my house. I said to him, you can't search out because I have guests in the rooms inside and I own the property. He asked for my license and I give him my ID. He asked for my business license and I gave it to him. And then he took the business license and was going away with it. My sister hold on to the business license.
Who going on the vehicle? Hello? Apart from the man.
You going that young lady just going.
You cause everything. Going on the vehicle.
You're a proprietor.
You're a business owner. I came to you and you escalate the situation.
How me escalate the situation? How did I escalate? I claim my bag. The guest came and claimed my bag. So, why am I being arrested?
Calm down. This is a public place where you have it. A guest house, right?
Yes.
Right? We sat this man out on the road. You know, we are long way drive and look for this vehicle.
I am not disputing that, you know, sir.
And if him in your place, the police not did no warrant for coming down, sir.
No, but he came and he took him and I was dealing with him here. I only came to see whether he was a wrongdoer or not.
And me go on different
because I don't know anything about the man.
We don't need no warrant.
He asked me for my license and business registration and I gave it to him. And the problem started because he walked away with it. I have all the camera because my business is on CCTV. He's the one with the bad behavior. My sister, up to now, I don't touch him. I don't know where she come from. Held on to the, my sister held on to the picture. I said to him, why are you taking a license? And he grabbed it. No. And that's when I interviewed. I never did nothing.
Madam.
Go into the vehicle.
Who took the key out of the vehicle?
I don't know who took the key out of the vehicle. That's not got anything to do with me.
We're not just allow us to do our job.
But that's what I was allowing. I only said to him that the man is not a guest. How was I not allowing that? How was I not allowing that?
This vehicle was signal to stop. The driver was signal to stop and he drove away.
You asked me that and I said to him, no, because he was going inside of those where I have guests and I said to him, you're not allowed to do that because the man is not a guest. The camera is here and it will prove it. I did like this. I said, you can't do that. I have guests in there.
Miss, you're not cooperating enough. Listen to me. This is once the police. This is once the police, after somebody and the person come in your premises, the police don't need no warrant for search, madam.
But he saw him right at the front. He wasn't hidden in my house. He wasn't inside. He wasn't hidden in my house. He was in the bar. He was in the bar and he came to you. He came freely to you. I didn't even know there was a problem. I only came here to see whether or not there was something actually wrong. Sir, there's no reason to do that. I never did anything.
People tell the police, you know.
No, but why you that jar?
Look here now.
What is the protocol of
Why you not pull
the whole of them are idiots, you know.
I'm saying, hey, you know. Man, guys. You're not
Go inside of the vehicle.
Mr. Tim is.
No, you're going there. No, you're not going there. No.
Excuse me, let me catch the video.
You're going inside there.
Sir, I'm going.
No.
I'm going.
Go inside of the vehicle.
Right? I'm going.
Go on. All of this could have been avoided. I mean, you're shot me, you know. You step back.
Can I have my ID, please?
What you should have done, you should have come. No, I'm going to need it.
Let me come to you, brother. I got the man alone, sir. I came.
Why are you taking my business registration?
I
was checking it until whoever come grab it. You never saw when you grab it.
But because you're going away with it, that's why you
I'm going to stand.
No!
Go inside of the vehicle.
No!
Go into the vehicle.
What you say?
No. It's alright. Go in the vehicle. With your mask. Your mask. Go on. And the next one, grab what you can block it. You don't charge sheet up.
So I've been arrested by police. I'm being arrested by police. My family has been arrested for no reason because we're running a business. Some man that I've only ever seen once driving this car, came and parked on my drive. He just called me and asked me for a room. I asked him for his ID. He didn't have any ID. I said to him, well, we can't admit you without an ID. Then I see the police car come. I allowed them. I only come to see whether or not the man was a wanted man or not. I don't know because he was just asking to come to my property. Right? And then they asked for my business license. I gave them my business license. And then they are going to take my business license and my ID and walking away with it. So I grabbed it. And then I held on to it and he grabbed it out of my hand basically. So all of this is just quite unnecessary if you ask me. And I don't understand where it is going or where it is coming from. Look at my property. This man is going to ask me if this thief come and give me something in my property. Look how I live. This man is coming on a Sunday afternoon. I can't even have fucking dinner in my house. Because I'm saying, why are you going to ask me about criminality? He asked me if the man bring anything to give me. What is he supposed to bring to give me? I don't understand. Today is Sunday, yeah? And I'm being arrested for no reason. by this man who has no behavior, this police officer. No number displayed, nothing at all. Who is this officer? Find out why number, Nicholas. Me need to know why number. Come, me not see no badge number.
Yes, who seem telling I see it.
Make sure you get that clear.
I have everything on video, everything.
Right? Me not do nothing in my bed, lay down this. I'm lying in my bed, me say me nah get up out of my bed this morning. You see me telling all the while? Anytime nobody come to me, find out what the fuck they want with me. Me don't know what the man gonna call me out of my bed and ask me about room. Right? And man handling my guest. I have British guest on site. The man is grabbing up the British guest bag to search and he's not female. There's no female with him. So I said you can't do that. It's not my bag, it's her bag. And for that I'm in here. Right?
Under arrest, madam. Put away the phone for now. You get a call at the station. Put away the phone.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, what happened to the person who was in the back of the police van? See me? Yeah, someone was in the back of the police pickup vehicle, that back part of the vehicle. You know, there was a person there, then me not see the person. Alright. Anyways, I understand some of the things that the female said in the video that I just presented to you. I understand some of the points that she tried to point it out. You see me? Now, I'm going to say some things, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not saying these things to let anyone feel any way. You see what I'm saying to you? And some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not agree with some of the things that I'm about to say, but I'm just telling you what I think, giving you my point of view, and try to give advice that I think is the best. You see me? But if you ever find yourself in a situation where police officers arrive at your premises, if you do not have to say anything, don't say anything. If them ask you one question, answer. If them ask you more questions, answer. You see me? Comply and do the safest thing to let everything just go as smooth as possible for you. You see what I said to you? Do not give the police any reasons for them to say, hey, I'm going to arrest you or arrest you. You see what I'm saying to you? No, don't give them any reasons for that. You understand? You see it? Alright, well, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said and shown in these pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. You can also let me know if you think I am right, and you can also let me know if you think I am wrong. You understand? But I'm just telling what I think, you know. And alright, well, big up and respect to each and every one, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.